Today I'm taking photos with the Sony a7 III and the Sony 35mm f1.8. Let's go see how these turn out. So I've been experimenting with aperture lately. Typically I would have it at the lowest aperture possible, so the f1.8 here. I've been trying to get a higher aperture, so right now I've been shooting at 3.5 for a little bit, and so far I like how they look, at least through the screen, so hopefully through the video it'll look pretty good too. I think this is one of the best combos in general, just this camera and lens. And the Sony a7 III is also pretty spectacular. So shooting in aperture priority mode is awesome because I can just tell it what I want the aperture to be. Do I want it to have a blurry background? Do I want it to have more of the background in focus? So I've really been working on just shooting the aperture priority mode when I can. It's been a lifesaver. So look at this, the sun's hitting him here, and the photos I would take here versus the sun's behind the subject. It just creates this glow around him. Like, that is perfect. So let me know what you think in the comments down below of this camera combo. I think it's awesome. I'd love to hear your thoughts and if you use this as well. Bye-bye.